Alright, late afternoon continues as we continue to work our way to the middle of the final weekend of April. April 26th, 2025, CN Hayes here, 1706, coming to you from Ladysmith. And mile 353.17 with another video lined up for you. The Hot 198 is here with the new C6M rebuild. Delete it, check them on the road, guys. We'll lean back and get them as it follows behind the 344. 73. Exhaust variant. Why not? I decide to say otherwise. You noticed a ZIM container and a SM line container was in there too. So yep, sure enough, it was the Q118 51 of the 21st. As that actually started in the South Shore Terminals in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, and is going to head bound for Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. How about that? Not a bad pass too, and it's also the highlight of the day, as I got a feeling that the new 3373 is my 32nd of 60 new C6M rebuilds captured, as they were the GECX nee-BNSF variants. How about that? So that's going to do it for the Q118 51 of the 21st, and we'll do it for the new 3373 and the rear DPU of the 3012. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin, for this afternoon. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.